back to Charli Can, and if you're like me, you've got piles and piles of these colored pencils lying around the house. And I want them to have a good home. So today, we're going to be making them a new home. So I was lucky enough to get this piece of 200-year-old walnut wood. And I'm going to be making a pencil holder out of it. Let's do it, man. And guys, make sure that whenever you're working in a shop or doing awesome stuff like this, you need to wear safety. You need a parent's permission before doing any of this. You need eye protection and ear protection. First, draw a line down the center of your block using a ruler or square. Next, mark your block into equal parts, depending on how many holes you want to make. Just make sure to leave room between the holes. To keep the drill bit from wandering around in the next step, I punched starter holes in the block before drilling. I used an awl to mark the holes, but you can just use a nail if you want. Now it's time to get serious. Since I was drilling my holes 3 inches deep, I used some blue tape on my bit to mark the depth for drilling. I drilled 5 holes with a 1 3/8 diameter Forstner bit. Forstner bit? What? The Forstner bit was invented in 1874 by Benjamin Forstner. It drills beautiful flat-bottomed holes unlike any regular drill bits. Thanks, Ben. Thanks for inventing your bit that lets us drill perfect flat bottom holes. Just look at those holes, so nice and clean. We're almost done. And now we're done with the holes. Thanks again, Ben. Now I put the block in a bench vise so I can sand down the sharp corners with a sanding block. Next, I marked and drilled 4 holes for the rubber feet I screwed to the bottom of the block. Once again, I used a piece of blue tape on my drill bit to mark how deep to drill the holes. Now it's time to screw the rubber feet onto the base. Yeah, it's looking awesome now. So now, it's just time to load her up. Let's put all the reds and oranges and yellows in here. Now it's time for the greens. Now it's gotta look very aesthetic. Time for the blues. Let's go here. Then the pinks and purples. It doesn't have as much in here, but it's fine. Then we got the neutral colors. And guys, look at this array. This array is beautiful, guys. This was a really awesome project. And guys, look how beautiful this arrangement is. It's like an arrangement of flowers. It's so beautiful. And if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more content like this, make sure to like and subscribe. And remember, if Charli can, you can too.
Charli Can.
So beautiful.